Hello guys, Nancy, I was having a problem with my WhatsApp account. You see, I need to download the official WhatsApp in order to use my WhatsApp account. And so you will be our faces a problem where video make your account with my first not solve that problem. And I said this particular problem. Now, send a share and send your first time I watch me from HY and you know exactly how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. So the entire first of all, benya sa message where your phone so and I say we WhatsApp more and man say the kind who use unofficial WhatsApp. Make say any kind of modern WhatsApp be say WhatsApp GB, say FM WhatsApp, say HY WhatsApp, say DND WhatsApp. Here say WhatsApp now and I say WhatsApp who use no any official WhatsApp. If free WhatsApp for and WhatsApp for age mo numbers in free and yeah on one account no. Where say ubi WhatsApp no, that's all register. But catch you say you need official WhatsApp. Nti bia say oh FM say GB WhatsApp now will register still be catch you say FM WhatsApp so now we download be catch you. So the first solution is say obedi kan akọ phone no akoyi yes WhatsApp now use na free so ba ko uninstall WhatsApp no free so. Nti obo phone so a no abosa WhatsApp ko na use no uninstall free. Now o install free ma enema miensa no betimi dia ye solve problem we. Did kind say obeko Play Store and I say App Store. No I search for official WhatsApp. We type in WhatsApp. With my download sa WhatsApp we and also person with my type in WhatsApp business. Ni na your official. WhatsApp business ni WhatsApp na nkasa na any. And the official WhatsApp I also download. They also no say we roll Play Store na feed what we are Play Store Protect and I say Google security one. We are not turning off. So in case of say security no it's added that's why and I say WhatsApp we better any menu off. We turn it off. It just say Google Play Store and I Google for intimate scanning or applications. Now I say intimate scanning or phone. So we use any harmful application be a intimate scanning ni it's in case of say no. So we our Play Store we download we na security na say Google Play Protect no. O madum na konda koso. So ma so a sa dum no e try bi. We download we a oboso ebeba. Now in case of say why is as number bebo WhatsApp help center as your Google ubo enter here na fi what you see the first link na beba no ubo first link na wo no na fi the walogy complain obebusa our phone number we issue and I say country awo to be select Nigeria say Ghana we select Ghana to select Ghana we are no abo no na she ho obebusa our email no abo email na she ho afi no what you see the entire wire wa contact you then they will get back to you within 24 hours. Your problem to be solved that way. Send us one year Juma, Ura WhatsApp help on Kasana, Ubung Help Center, Ubo WhatsApp support na Ubung Help Center or Bo Help sometimes so about my Diwama customer service will be directly and answer will be sending email any details. They'll get back to you within 24 hours. This is the only way you can use to solve this problem. So you'll be able to use WhatsApp GB, FM WhatsApp. That's a WhatsApp problem with a the best thing I'll be in say uninstall the app no and I say kosha say use official WhatsApp. Now use official WhatsApp this problem and how. Meaning ko for see this problem for a long time. Into business how mo and my grandpa and consumer just because of say on WhatsApp they are unable to open their WhatsApp account. It means so use the official WhatsApp and save yourself from this trouble. Anyway, the name is HY and you know exactly how to do it. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and see you in the next one. Medasi.